And when I spoke with the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister yesterday, he had alleged that the whistleblowers in this scam was sponsored by the Congress. Listen in to what Shivraj Singh Chauhan had told me yesterday.
पांडे नाम का व्यक्ति है, वो आता है हमारे स्टूडियोज, आता है कोर्ट जाता है, कहता है कि ये जो जांच हो रही है शिवराज सिंह चौहान के दबाव में आकर ये जांच पूरी तरह से ठीक तरह से नहीं हो रही है। ग्वालियर के तो विसल ब्लोअर ने कहा कि मेरे पास तत्व है कि जिसमें शिवराज सिंह चौहान इन्वॉल्व है।
मैं इंदौर की बात करता हूं,
ग्वालियर की बारे में
पहले मैं इंदौर की बात कर लूंगा आपसे कि जिसको विसल ब्लोअर कहा जा रहा है वो कहां रह रहा है, किसकी गाड़ी का इस्तेमाल कर रहा है, कौन उसको बंगला दे रहा है, कौन
आप कह रहे हैं पांडे जी कांग्रेस का आदमी है, आप कह रहे हैं जो विसल ब्लोअर है कांग्रेस उसको स्पॉन्सर कर रहा है, सच बताइए।
हाँ मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, उसमें क्या दिक्कत है?
कांग्रेस स्पॉन्सर कर रहा है पांडे जी को, और उसका इस केस से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, वो विसल ब्लोअर नहीं है।
देखिए वो आदमी कहाँ रह रहा है, आप भी इन्वेस्टिगेशन कीजिए ना, आप हर चीज का इन्वेस्टिगेट करते हैं, उनका इन्वेस्टिगेशन कीजिए, कहाँ रहते हैं, ग्वालियर से जाते हैं, कहाँ रुकते हैं।
And joining me now is Prashant Pandey, whistleblower in the Vyapam case. Is he being sponsored by the Congress is the big question. Pandey ji, yesterday Shivraj Singh Chauhan going on record in that interview to me saying you are being sponsored, financed by the Congress party. Please tell me, what is your relationship with the Congress party, sir?
I would like to mention it very clearly and very firmly that I am not at all concerned to any political party, nor the Congress and nor anything else. I am associated with my panel of lawyers on the basis of truth and the supporting evidences what I have.
Mr. Pandey, Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan told me, A, your wife is working in a college of Congress MP Kamal Nath. You are moving in a car provided by the Congress, living in a house provided by the Congress, and the Congress is paying you 2 lakhs a month for the last 6 months. What is the truth?
He is very much used to of lying, sir, actually. I would like you to know that my wife is working with Exide, nor in Kamal Nath's college or anyone else's college. And I am right now living with one of my friend, not at all by any house, nor I am having any connections with any of the Congress leader. You can check them in all across the manner, wherever, whenever you want.
Even in fact, I would like to mention it on the affidavit. From Indore to Delhi, have you really received a threat to your life? And if so, have you informed the police about it?
Yes, very much correct, sir. I am regularly getting the threats from lots of IPS officers and other police officers who know me very well, although they are very much friendly. But it seems like they're just advising me or telling me like you will be screwed up by the government, whatever you do, whatever you are doing is not good. So somehow I understand what they are intent to do.
But have you Mr. Pandey received any specific threat to your life that you are today claiming that you cannot live in Madhya Pradesh?
Yes, I had, sir. The I recently met an accident, in fact, and my entire family was inside the car, which was hit by a truck on the highway at 2 a.m. approximately.
You are talking about this accident, but the Chief Minister's office told me that the entire incident of a threat through an accident has been cooked up by you. They claim they have a WhatsApp message of a call you made to the police station in Indore, where you did not mention of any such accident involving a truck having hit you, which you again only the next day brought before the public.
As I have told you very earlier, he is a certified liar, you can say. Chief Minister is no more than a liar. I can prove it on any record. I am having the documents along with me. If you want, I will send you on WhatsApp as well. And the accident occurs with my wife. I think he doesn't know about it. Just saying used to of lie and all the bullshit whatever he thinks like.
No, Mr.
Fortunately,
Mr.
we have
Pandey, you're
exchanged
calling
the car.
Chief Minister of, no, 1 minute. You're calling the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh a liar on this program, but do you have the hard evidence that you of just who is then involved in the Vyapam? Do you actually have evidence to back the names of officials and ministers? Or is it, as the MP government is claiming, that a lot of what you are saying is based on forged documents?
Yes, I do. In fact, I have mentioned the names along with the evidences in the petition I have recently filed in Supreme Court. and you will definitely come to know about all the things, the messages, the text messages, the electronic evidences, the communication they made with the peoples, they have made the communications. It's all going to be come in front of all.
Mr. Pandey, please tell me, what is your relationship with Mr. Digvijay Singh specifically? Shivraj Singh Chauhan told me yesterday he insists that you are being financially supported and that Digvijay Singh is your main sponsor.
Never, never. And in fact, let me clear you one thing very clearly, that this is true that Digvijay Singh ji supported me on moral grounds. Basically what happens is that when the entire system was against me, I was keenly looking for some support for the survival of my life, and at that moment of time he initiated his help. And I just took it because unfortunately Congress is having the elite panel of lawyers, and I am not at all concerned to Digvijay Singh specifically. If you say, I didn't had any transaction with him.
You are saying Digvijay is providing you moral support. Is it not true that you were working with the Congress on this case, that you and the Congress's legal team have jointly planned the entire Vyapam petitions?
No, not at all, not at all. I am not at all related with that. In fact, I am working along with the panel of lawyers I have. That is, I am very much loyal towards the panel of lawyers who supported me, and that panel involves Vivek Tankha, Kapil Sibal, Indira Jaising and KTS Tulsi. These are the four persons, and I just merely have mutual personal relations, you can say, not at all connected to their parties.
Mr. Pandey, the lawyers you are naming, people like Kapil Sibal, Vivek Tankha, these are congressmen and they don't come cheap. Who is paying the financial fees for this legal help that you have sought?
It is a mutual agreement we are having, that I am certainly providing my own services, of course technical services to them, on behalf for their business plannings and the charity works he is doing. Like Vivek Tankha is doing lots of charity works, so I'll be looking after you can say developing their technical points. Against that services whatever I am giving me, they are reverting me the same, you can consider it like that.
You know, there seems to be, from what you are saying, some kind of relationship that you have, but are you confident that the information and evidence that you have will nail top politicians, including the MP, Chief Minister? Do you really have that evidence? I will ask you this now that the CBI has taken over the probe.
Yes, exactly. And in fact that involves some congresspersons as well, as I previously mentioned. If you are talking like that, it involves so many persons including both the parties. So it is none of the matter that I am sponsored or connected with any of the political party, and in fact my lawyers know that.
Now that the CBI has taken over the case, you are confident that the probe will be independent, that will actually yield results, and you will face no fear or threats as you are calling them?
Yes, very correct, sir. That is what I believe and I hope.
Okay, that's Mr. Pandey responding to what was said to me yesterday by Shivraj Singh Chauhan, claiming he has only moral support of the Congress party, not financial support.